Hi, I will show you how to create this wave graphic on Illustrator. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. For example, I will prepare these three colors for the wave, and of course you can customize it as much as you want. Now with pencil tool, I will create the random wave movement with these colors. After you create the waves, click Ctrl, Alt, and B. We see there's an additional lines here. Now we go to Object and Blend. Choose Blend option. Increase the number on specified step. Maybe if you want to change its step or maybe the gap, you still can change the number of the specified step like this. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!